If you're planning a trip to Strasbourg, France, you might want to buy a tram ticket after you arrive at the train station. And if you've never been to Strasbourg, you might not know which machine to use and how it works. So first, you need to find a machine that says CTS on it. That's Compagnie de Transport Strasbourgeois. You'll see a couple of them in the walkway in front of the train station, but there are more tram ticket machines if you take the escalator down a level going towards the tram station. The tram runs above ground in most of Strasbourg, but it stops underground at the train station. Okay, so you'll see a screen where you can select a language, and your first instinct might be to tap the icons on the screen. But this doesn't work. You need to navigate with this little mechanical wheel right here. Then when you make your selection, push this button in the middle. You can buy a single ticket or a ticket that holds 10 rides. I recommend that you buy a 10-ride ticket and hang on to it, because if you use all your rides up, you can add more fare at one of these machines to top up the same ticket. And you'll find that the center of Strasbourg is so walkable that you probably won't even use all of your rides. So select Urban Rides and choose the ticket you want. You can also buy a ticket that times out in 24 hours or 72 hours, but if you're not planning to ride the tram for hours and hours every day, it makes more sense to just buy 10 trips and validate it for each ride. After you make your selection, press the button and pay for the ticket. When you ride the tram, look for one of these ticket validation machines and press your ticket against it to validate. And that's it. Hope this video helps you feel more acclimated when you arrive at the train station, and enjoy beautiful Strasbourg.